Okay, so if you want to say yes, just make it light up twice. So once is no, and I'm interpreting that as a no. Is there something you'd like to say? No. Okay. You just want to hang out with us for a minute? Just stay in the general area? No response.
You gonna play hide and seek?
Well, that's more than a yes, but it's an awful lot of answer. Well,
I would consider that twice.
yeah, if you'd like to go and hide, we will try to seek you, or I guess we could try to hide. So we should try to hide. Well,